And then the final thing I always like to impress on the taxing community is just some of the things I feel I get calls about, which is I need to get a sales tax license. I've sold all these places and I've hit the Wayfair standards. Well, when you get a sales tax license, you are basically telling a government you are doing business there. It is not a simple thing to do. You create a fiduciary duty with each separate government that you are getting a license with, and you are basically telling them that you are there, that you are a taxpayer. Well, what that means could have a lot of different findings depending on your facts. For example, if you have payroll in a state, you would have a nexus for income tax filings as well as payroll filings, possibly unclaimed property, possibly personal property tax for equipment that employee is using, and you'd have a sales tax license responsibility. But if you're just a remote seller shipping via FedEx, UPS, or some other transportation common carrier to a customer, to my front door, that sales tax license might have a very different impact on your duties than a traditional payroll office, location, warehouse. So understanding what you're doing in each jurisdiction before you haul off and get sales tax license is really important to understand what those duties are going to create for you as regards to other tax filings each state and city might require. So really understanding that and putting together a foolproof strategy is what the Saltivation team does to make sure that people are in compliance at each and every state and city level. So that's why we exist, because it is complicated, but we try to make that simple by understanding each unique taxpayer's facts and situation, technology, and how they go to market in order to figure out their duties state by state.